And oh my god, guys, can you see what's happening here? The free energy points and diamonds arrived in my Gossip Harbor game. Yo guys, in this new video I'm showing you a method to get 90k free energy points and diamonds in this Gossip Harbor game. This is not any trick, this is for real. The resources are offered by some big sponsors, and that's why this is a great opportunity. Make sure your power saving mode is disabled. I'm just gonna turn it on and off again to be sure. Now I want to open my game and show you how's the situation, and here we go. This is how it looks now. Not too many diamonds and energy points, but we're going to change that now. Firstly, I'm opening my browser and go to ontweak.com. Make sure it's the .com one, not anything else. Then I'm searching for the Gossip Harbor game, then tapping on this start button. Once I reach here, I'm entering my user ID. This can be found by tapping on your profile icon in game, guys. I'm pretty sure you won't have any problem finding it. I'm selecting Android and I'll go for the 90k energy and diamonds option. As I've already said, guys, these in-game resources are offered by some generous sponsors, and that's why all they require in exchange is this additional step. Everything is free, you will only have to complete some tasks, and it usually takes a few minutes or more depending on your country, of course. Okay, it's time to check if this method works. And oh my god, guys, can you see what's happening here? The free energy points and diamonds arrived in my Gossip Harbor game. I'm putting my fingers here so you can see this is for real. This is not any edited stuff. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you also enjoyed this, and let me know in the comment section below your opinion about it. See you in the next one.